in this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 3015 all-in-one printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. Once you have opened that app, you need to proceed on the search bar and type for HP LaserJet 3015 driver, then hit the enter key in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to see a list of results. So from here, please proceed to the first result, which contains the HP LaserJet 3015 all-in-one printer software and driver. Click on it. And the moment you do it, you will be able to be navigated to this page where you can see the HP LaserJet 3015 and it will detect your operating system. If Windows 11 is not detected, go and choose a different OS and click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on update to set it. Once done, you need to proceed with this driver universal printer driver. Okay, and then you need to scroll down and either choose among of these two, then click on download. Okay, so once you have downloaded it, click on this folder download icon to show it here. Okay, and click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that we need to do is we need to copy and move it to the desktop. So how we can do so, make a right click here, go with cut. Okay, once done, close the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, make a right click and click on the paste. So once you do it, you will be able to paste the unzip file here. All you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with extract all to extract or unzip it, or you can simply use the WinRAR tool to extract the file. So go with extract to and kindly wait for a few seconds to it to be done. Okay, so a new file folder would be created here at the desktop, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Then this is the time that we will now start the installation. So by that, make a right click here at the start icon and scroll up and click on the settings. Once you have opened up the settings, all you need to do is you need to wait until you can get a list of the options before we proceed. Once here, navigate directly to the left side where you can see a list of the option and please locate where the option called this one, Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And from here, please choose for printers and scanners. And here at the printers and scanners, you will get an option where you can add device. Click on it. And from here, kindly wait until you can see an option where you can manually add your printer driver. Once here, click on it. And please choose for add the local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So if you have an HP port, you can use that. Okay. So click on next and then go with have disk and click browse. And since our extracted file has been located at the desktop, then we need to navigate there and here scroll down and proceed to the extracted file, double tap here and it will show you a list of drivers. So this all functions similarly. So just select any of this and click on open. Click on OK and it will be placed here. Just select any of this again. Okay, go with next and rename that into HP LaserJet space 3015. Once done, click on next and it will now start in the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next. Go with finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 3015 all-in-one printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.